In today's video, I am going to teach you how to join Mailerlite. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Mailerlite website at mailerlite.com. This is the safest way to sign up, since you know you are on the real site. Once the home page loads, look to the top right corner of the page and click the button that says Sign Up. That will take you to the account creation form. On the Sign Up page, you will begin by entering your company or organization name. This can be your business name, your brand name, or the name you use publicly for your work. Choose something accurate because it helps organize your account and can appear in certain settings later. Next, enter your name along with your email address. Make sure you use an email address you can access right now because you will need it to verify your account. It is best to avoid typos here. A small mistake can prevent you from receiving the verification message. After that, create a secure password. Use a password that is unique to this account and make it strong by combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Also, make sure it is something you can store safely, since you will use it anytime you sign in. When your details are filled in, click the Create My Account button to submit the form. Mailerlite will then send a verification email to the address you entered. Switch over to your email inbox and look for a message from Mailerlite. If you do not see it right away, wait a moment and check your spam or promotions folder, since automated emails sometimes land there. Open the verification email and click the link that says Verify Email Address. This confirms that the email belongs to you and activates your account. Once the verification is complete, you can return to Mailerlite and log in to your new dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you will be asked a few questions about your marketing goals. Answer these as accurately as you can, since they help Mailerlite tailor the setup experience to what you are trying to do. That covers everything you need to know.